Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pestle, and today, gagawa tayo ng butter cookies. Crunchy, buttery, and melts in your mouth sa bawat kagat. Madali lang gawin at masarap iterno sa kape. Nilevel up pa natin by dipping it sa chocolate. Kaya naman kung mahilig din kayo dito ay di nyo na kailangang bumili. Dahil kayang-kaya nyo na rin siyang gawin sa bahay. Kaya naman tara, umpisan na natin. Sa isang bowl, sift natin all together yung ating 2 cups ng all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup ng cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. Then, set aside muna natin. Sa separate bowl naman, beat natin yung ating 1 bar o 225 grams ng softened butter and 3/4 cups ng powdered sugar. Add natin yung 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon ng vanilla extract. Beat natin ng mabuti until well combined. Make sure lang na just soft enough yung butter, not shiny and greasy na natutunaw na siya, para ma-hold ng cookies yung shape niya once binik na natin. Then, add na natin yung ating flour mixture kanina in 2 additions, beating in between. Mix it well just until wala ng visible flour. Do not overmix para may crunch yung ating cookies. No need na rin to chill the mixture and we can bake it right away. Then, pwede na natin i-transfer yung mixture sa piping bag with 2D piping tip. Line natin yung ating baking tray with parchment paper. Gamit yung ating mixture as a glue para hindi siya gumagalaw once nag-pipe na tayo. Pipe tayo ng mini rosettes. Pwede ding heart shape or bars, depende sa preference ninyo. Then, pwede na natin silang i-bake sa preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 18 minutes or until mag-golden brown yung edges. Palamigin natin completely over a wire rack. Gumawa rin ako ng ganitong shape. Once completely cool, this is optional. Pwede natin siyang i-dip sa melted chocolate and let it set sa fridge for around 5 minutes. Basic lang yung ingredients natin, but these cookies are very rich and flavorful. Ang bango ng pagka-buttery niya, perfect din yung dark chocolate combo. And that's it. Enjoy your homemade butter cookies.